In What's Next Prabha, today I am going to make French fries. For that I peeled the potatoes, approximately 1 kilo of potato I peeled and I kept in the cool water for not to get oxidized. So now I am going to start cutting. Now we'll start cutting the potatoes. There are so many potato French fry cutters available in the market, but at home we can use this method. This is more easier. Like this. So I'll show you one. Approximately this should be like this size. I will cut the whole potato, everything, then I will show you. Cutting for the French fries. See, now in the water after cutting we can see lot of starch in this. It's kind of a cloudy this thing. So I am going to wash this in the running water and make the water clear. Then only we can remove all the starches. I washed the potatoes very well. See, now we can see the water is very clear. In the next step is I kept water in one vessel. I'm just going to add all these potatoes in this. This is kind of a blanching. We are going to cook for until again the water should get the boiling point. Now for this I am going to add for 1 kilo of potato I am going to add 2 tablespoons of normal white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Let it come to boiling point, then we'll see the next. Adding the potato, the water start boiling, so I'm just switched off the stove now. See, we'll check I'm just going to remove all these things in a cool water bowl so that we'll stop this cooking further. See how to check this is done well. So we'll take one and then when we put the matchstick and see it is very hard to go inside. So this is firm and it is cooked well. This is the correct time we need to remove this. So I am going to remove all the potatoes in the cool water. Then I am going to strain it. After washing the blanched potatoes in a cool water, I am just going to dry this in one cloth like this to take away all the water content in this. Like this. We'll keep for at least half an hour to suck all the water. Then I will show you the next step what to do. The blanched potato I just kept in the cloth, white cloth. See, it sucked all the water. Now I am going to remove this into another strainer. It's completely dry. See the water sucked by the cloth. So I'm just going to fry this now partially. The blanched potato, I just dried it in the cloth, so it is completely dried. Now in the pan, I have just heated the oil into the boiling point. So I'm just going to drop this potatoes slowly, and I'm just going to fry this for 1 minute. It's called flash fry. Let it fry for 1 minute, then I will show. After 1 minute of frying, I am just removing this. I just spread the kitchen towel in one plate and just removing all these 1 minute fried potatoes in this plate. I will do the rest of the potatoes also and I will show you what to do the next step. We did the flash frying. I kept the French fries in the kitchen towel. It sucked the extra oil in this. So now I am going to transfer this into one airtight container like this, and I am going to refrigerate this for 2 to 3 hours. Then we'll do the frying. After 2 to 3 hours of freezing, it it looks like this. In this stage you can store it in a Ziploc cover or in some airtight container like this for up to 2 months. Okay, now this is ready for frying. Oil is hot and ready, and I'm just going to put little by little in oil. Let it fry in golden brown in color. And French fries fried nicely and it is slight golden brown in color. So now we'll remove it. And I'm just going to transfer this into another plate with the kitchen tissue. I'll do the rest of the potatoes also, and then I'll show you how to serve. The French fries are ready for serving. See, for 1 kilo of potato, I got like this 3 servings. See, the French fries are crisp and nice outside, and inside it is cooked nicely. And freezing the potato is just for crystallizing the water content inside the potato, so that while frying the crystals will evaporate directly and makes the chips crisp and nice. That is why they ask us to freeze it. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Make French fries and enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.